know them are dirty water you run from. You know which cool them have water. And you out there cave.
I know the rain fall.
You get up cold. You get drenched.
You know what I always know. When rain fall, people dash out them kick water and everything.
Just go slowly. And see, you can't talk about cheap. You see, you look like innocent. You don't know, see, you take nothing from man. You take. Where you going to take things from man, your body? Where you going from? Where you going to say?
Take man money.
Man, your
what you know if you do in time, you're going to get liquor for your
right, so you can play, you can talk about sheep, you can talk about feed money that you want. Just talk about them, man.
Ready? Where are you doing the water? So you already get germs in your foot? You know what dirty water do? Eh? You know what dirty water do to people's foot? You can't catch grunny itch. You can't catch wing run, you can't catch a pull. You used to be money, you used to make money. I just don't know. You see that kind of skin that goes, you know, I do that. You think me an idiot?
I want to lick it.
No, skin, look. See there, you go here, that's skin.
Alright.
You're mad, you don't eat that money.
So over your Salah, you get it. And can look on for your laugh. Don't move, me soon come to you. The over your laugh.
Alright.
Look on candy, ready.
You see, you want to come put me in a trouble, catch up poor family. You see you have money, you have money, you see much trouble you put me in already. You know that's what I do to people. Eh? You want your king fatty. Where you have to laugh? I laugh. You see you look innocent. Give me ice cream. You see you look, turn up there so. Give you some hour. If you take it from your hand here. Oh, cut your finger. You see you look innocent. You are original. You original. No mystery where it come from. From your mama.
Good on treatment. Where you get money from to buy ice cream?
Oh, don't know about the family.
No man, Alton can't pay sing. Let's go Alton. Talk about the time you see, you know. Alton needs to know for you, man. Just talk about big man money in you know.
You see you look little original. You see you look innocent. Like you can't mash hands. Where you get money from buy ice cream? One man give you. You know the man? The man are your daddy? So for your mother not tell us to take things from man a road. You know a man to pick me well up beg them? You beg man money. When you beg man money, what man give you? Don't want to tell you. You see put me your little, I don't want you to run up in this field. And you know where that give you? Baby. And baby give you a trouble. Go in here, the people children don't want to sleep. You go in here, that's not stay with your out hard and no. You know how to get sleep, man.
I think you can't man. You can't that one, man. Alton, you can't peace. Yeah, that's good. You can't come on. Can you stand? You know, when we wait for you, take the ice cream and yan. Eh?
Like man is here.
This is behind the scenes of the dumpling.
Most places here I think was a tree. Where I make police.
You can't play with this.
Yo, from what? Oh no, wait, and then I'm on phone saying it's my board. You can't play? I'm on my phone. That's a go on? Can you imagine you're waiting in vain? I don't wanna
Wait in vain. Why you
Oh yeah. See what I call it? I know I'm not having a phone sitting in the car. Look at me.
I'm standing next to you get locked out. Child of you. So you can't tell us you can't tell the police.
You know me tell the police, your man, I'm killing me, call him, man, call him, Hey, I'm good.
Get up now.
Never mind, farm, you dead, brother.
This is
Alright, fuck it. Let's chill out a minute. Yeah, go for it. Ah, shit. Get up here, yeah.
You're just well out.
Your business that man.
You take up the sun off my bed and you take up the pants to them.
Oh, now we use the bed now?
Yeah.
Ah, yo, 7 o'clock done one whole episode now. Come in and ramping you do that something here, you know.
Man, I use it, brother, man.
We're gonna shoot cross the whole board. You have to say daddy? We're gonna shoot cross the board. Give back the phone again, let me shoot that girl. Call.
No.
You can call. So what about it? What about the big girl name? What that's what's your name movie again?
Yeah, what name? That's my name, yeah.
So now they're gonna get a reason to come over here and sleep in the night and now. We're not ramp with it too. Chucky.
Oh yeah, can your father run him?
Yeah, so then say Chucky can, if father come over this and run over and say, can be, then you want to beat me again. You have a reason to say, I'll see where until the morning then, man. So while you not sleep and now you can sleep with the girl in the up on the bed, you know what I said to you, 9 night, you get up, take care of her and put her on the bed. And with the girl on the bed. That's a good idea.
Yeah. So you want to start with big boy running so first in the bed with her and I'm going to stop that.
Yeah, put big girl in the bed first.
No, but talk about in a setting with cut up side and can run him out and go by bed. That can be early before.
No, talk about this and that. Don't man this at night, different deal. Not to about your side. When you come to patch up, you patch up. You know what I mean? We don't talk about we can be in a house in the night. You understand?
Come, be ready.
Just want to do one long leg uncut. You know what I mean? If you see the one explain. It's about 10 or 9. It's a 9.
That's about it.
They have skip 8 because we want 8 start exactly with Jutah. We can build surf on the surf. Jutah, we have about 8 the next day. This is the next day. We go and do a while ago the next day. So we can come up and now and start from the night. I lose one night and chop off the whole hour. You know what I mean? So most I see now do a day. We never do a full night yet. Because chop out one night sleep.
Alright.
So by daylight, 10 or 9. No, by daylight at 10, we are going to go at 10.
Come, big boy, come.
Come on, start with Jutah. Jutah saying couldn't come back because we are going to bet him on one bag of... You don't understand what I said to me a while ago. I don't understand.
I have him on the for him.
But I would have never send Jutah being clothes because I just let her fool with it. Or we're going to teach him not to send Jutah being clothes. We think they have to close for him. If you never find him, you start shoot for him, yeah, so go to the dust, then tomorrow morning or tomorrow you start that in the first thing to do. You get up. You know what I mean? You don't think you have to say
You're asleep, my boss.
Oh, you asleep?
I say you're tired, man.
No, but...
Because if you really want to...
Some bad number then, I lost it. More so the same one.
Which number?
The same number you have, boy.
I don't know where I talk this my time about that.
What are you?
It's because... Idiot. You know my number. Yo! Yeah!
Why I have your...
No, can you just start to get up on the guitar?
How much is that?
Yeah, which one about?
Look how much number plate.
26.
26.
I want to
Come,
know.
26 a doctor too. Doctor say you can play Dr. Fish.
You don't know that is to me.
Mommy name him as a 26
One,
doctor.
Don't like that heavy gambler, man.
no. I don't know my house today with one. You don't give up.
The Dr. Fish come to it.
Yeah, after it, yeah.
Yo, can I make a...
Where are you there, Akine?
Team right out on.
Akine station?
Yeah man. Constable Lauren, 68400 reporting for duty.
No.
I want to tell you about my situation today. Can you manage that? I had a phone and I had it up here and it fell. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the mash up the iPhone.
Tragic life right now. I can't call home. I don't know what's happening.
Better reach home.
So if Joe did it, have fun, Joe. I'm going with Pepsi and I get cheese strips.
Alright, my boss.
Tragic.
Tragic.
Yeah. What a life. Say man, I'm going with half an hour to blood plate. That's the women there.
So they see them and then you do that.
Papa.
Earlier morning. Can't cook. That's not what I want. 9 though. I'm going to put the
I'm saying that the DSC them will usually 8. Usually 8, so we have to do an hour and 9. Yo, actually, you can film the scene and this can come up. Because this one, by 9 o'clock, I want to lift up by 8 o'clock.
Before cold.
I want to go and get some rest and don't want to lift up by 9.
You have not been, you know. Yeah. It's a put a going more than this. So let's say one of the
Tell me now. What are you can do for that?
Alright, Candy. Oh yeah, this what can we say? Let's start out the burn.
Wait a minute, pull up. So I got to pull up.
Stone from the burn.
Let that drink.
Chucky come to you. Actually, I can't make him sleep. But when he stand, both to make him sleep. Because just hesitant about it make him sleep when he wants.
big boy have girlfriend.
I tell him, say, no. How you say? Daddy running
Yeah,
out?
I'm a pregnant boy.
Hold on.
How long you run for now?
Right, show. Never stop record.
Popeye. Popeye, listen to me, I say, my youth. Yeah, you listen to you, so you say, we are coming in contact. Okay. Alright, come on, good.
Contact can you come fast? Can you come
Popeye. I'm going to shoot that scene and I came to watch it.
The problem with that one is 17K. The beat just will be off.
What's the budget what did you shoot? I'm not saying I'm alone.
Popeye never did come beach.
But you have a car to boat, so we catch one little city.
Yeah, you want to put that one there.
I don't know what Popeye have here catching, I follow.
What?
The boat, yeah.
No.
Them's a papa in that no video tape sense.
How catch? Good on one.
You catch?
I'm going to check your phone on the phone.
Papa you can't video tape.
Everyone can videotape. Just hold the camera and point it and press record.
You can't do it.
Easy, easy.
You next now go lock up. Huh?
Yeah, we don't have no beer. We don't have no common beer markers.
You buy something, man. The police report is
Why? You know a good reason I'm cutting. All done.
Alton, come hold a lighter.
What do you like? Making man.
The time soon run out, my boss. I soon stop record. Time soon run out. So lighting pretty.
Hey man, I beg you for that Pepsi.
Come on, tie shot.
Come, no, come closer with the light. Alright, no talking. Who put on the veranda? Move. What? Look at me, small my veranda. Look at me, small my veranda. Miss Candy, just show me up in the light.
Come in and suck on that.
My father put me out.
When your father put you out?
Remember when he just put me out, he checked me say about kill me and put me out.
And if you take care of your papa, come in and suck.
He now come, me I tell her, you want to speak to a man when you go from his mother, go speak.
Come in and give care me alone. Who your next brother?
You don't know.
You're bigger than your brother. And your father put you out. When do your brother?
But he put him in.
Put him in a
Because
house.
he put me out here and he put him in.
Look here. Come like a nonsense. You know just big and fool so. I don't understand this. So me if you take it in your son. After you come in and take me and carry when you're done in. Me.
He not done though. He's still alive.
You say me no want to talk to you. I feel a little bit in the middle. Can't find the answer where I say. I'm pretty sure you are. You don't understand. Come in your son.
Alright, Alpha. And I want to watch it out of the bed and to put on the bed. You get last night from my sleep. You give me a backside lick olive. Is that good thing to me have more than one fan blade? Hello, subscribe please. Can you guys see me?
As Papa is here, Papa can go close to her. So if Papa go close to her, Papa start chat loud, Papa. Start chat loud all the time.
Maybe wait up here.
The ice cream or curious that in there somewhere.
Nobody wants to put some straight on you and see my papa. You want to see that.
My little baby.
When you eat Chucky rice, happy and cold, you are can. You have more to come. When you see Chucky, you try go. Chucky go close to she, you try go in between the them. I can't when you go in between the them, you split them up. So listen, you must sleep out there, so. Chucky, yours? No, how you go?
You must sleep separate.
Turn on that, please.
Is that weird? We could.
No,
Whoa,
you see
oh,
there's a
You
chocolate
can't
in
go
there
put
so.
one with the girl.
She sleep over there so.
So tell me what pattern of this is.
No, you put sheep on the bed and put me here so I'll put chocolate so.
No,
One chocolate first and
yeah,
it
one set. You don't put two
That
boys.
not in there.
You don't put two boys to sleep and the girl just wait and do it.
No.
No, put one there and I said.
Well, I may have Candy, wait and do it, Candy.
Me would have put Papa head down there so Chucky head up there so I can sleep.
Oh, so you don't put the two boys to sleep and the girl sleep on yourself.
You watch it still now fitness with the girl cause remember how fire said.
Why is it?
None of that.
Big boy
No,
go
go
on the
find
bed
your
with
seconds.
her and me take him off with big boy
I
and
found
in
him
the
no
bed.
Chucky time. Carry cutie that I know, so we must go put people girl picking with him. You have sense?
No, I know, put him with him, but him see down there on the bed and Chucky go, then we put Chucky under the bed.
Unless it want one sleepers and one sleepers of the two, and then you wake up and say,
That night, we go over this.
Chucky in the night set you go in there, go put Chucky on the floor and go on the bed. And that's not happen. So one granny so one there, so
I will put big boy out from and put him on the bed and you go. Couple. More that, more that thing I go. And you gone from bed. So bright.
So you make one spray so one sickness and one sickness and then go in this. Put sheep on the bed. So you go make when then we not see tell him, so one of us sleep in this very and then you go making it up and going.
Yeah, so she will sleep. So big, you need to get her body.
Alton, come.
Alton, it's Carlo. It's too nice for your one.
What around everything that too nice for you? One woman and two man. A food on there. Saka, 2 more. You see, your people never say, oh, we have to say that 2 more.
Come now, ready. Ready time.
Alton,
Big boy.
ready? Shaka. Shaka. You have to go in this. You have to go in this. Double up. Sandy, make sure you get it out. You don't take a fish. You can't spread out. Take up. Hold on, set you right up.
Come on, you have to make this one.
Put in a second.
Bag this. What is that?
Oh my God, see what
Alright people, the end until next time. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Later.